The first time Fred Hill mentioned Waterfalls at Laurel Run Park, Jan.2022, his first convo with Ziggy. Please turn volume up to hear.
Well, I think I could tell that the brother, well, I spoke to the big guy. I think it's the brother-in-law, so maybe that's why he said he didn't know who you were.
Yeah.
But there was a kid over there, well, he's probably like young 20s. He was like flying a drone or something, and he was ignoring me. But I tried asking him about Summer, and he acted like, he was like basically,
See,
like,
the
you know.
FBI went up there about 9 o'clock at night and made him take them to the Waterfalls. I don't know what that is about or whatever, but they searched that hard up there. But they searched, see, my address and stuff on my license stuff is 167.
Okay.
See, that's where I did live. And then my mom bought this place, so I just ain't changed nothing. And she's staying down there at 165. 165 and 167, same thing, same place, way it is. See, the house burnt and stuff, and we moved.
The next day, Ziggy asked him about the Waterfalls again.
Of course, I didn't talk to him. I already talked to him. I just had to woke up and think over.
So, you mentioned something about the waterfalls, like, right?
They come over there for like 9 o'clock at night, and somebody's on the internet or something other saying something about some waterfalls or something other. But I think they were talking about the ones at Laurel Run Park, but they went up there and made him walk them into where his waterfalls was.
Oh, does he?
You guys, occasionally I might, if you hear it muted, it's because I don't want to like say I'm trying to avoid like personal like names and stuff like that. Hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm not in Tennessee if you're what? See your guys' comments real quick. Seeing what you guys were talking about. Never mind.
Some on his property?
Huh?
He has some on his property?
Yeah.
Oh, so they wanted him to show them. I was wondering why would they go get him to take him to the Laurel, the one you just mentioned?
Yeah, well, it's back in nowhere. I mean, it's rough to get back there. Take about 2 hours to get back there, and that rough walking too.
Is that where we saw Summer swimming?
No,
No.
They ain't nowhere they could swim.
No, I mean, it wasn't the swimming hole, but the one where she was walking up on the waterfall. And
that was over on
Laurel Run.
Laurel Run, where that was.
So it was Laurel Run.
That's the picture, I mean, from Laurel Run, you know. The scene, I mean, what I know of the waterfall stuff in there, it was took there.
Huh. Okay, so they checked out those waterfalls back that he has. And you think that he's do you know for a fact that guy's a snitch or you said he's worked for the feds? Wonder why.
I don't know.
Did he get in trouble for something?
Many calls like that down here for some reason, I don't know. See, they put one back in here about 10 years ago. Well, it's been 15 years ago or something now. When Jack got killed, they had a shootout up there. It seemed like every time they put somebody in here, their name's Richard.